I'm Nick Shackley with Johnson Matthey. I've got responsibility for Johnson's Matherin's. Let's start this one again.
This is a little bit disrupting the flow.
Remember what it was? What is it? Medicine maker. Yes, medicine maker. I knew I forgot something. Okay, I'm here
with the medicine maker at CPhI.
with medicine maker at CPhI.
What is it? That's a wonderful place, as you can see. Speaking about sustainability, sustainable developments. I have to start again because you spoke, right?
Which ones? Okay. I probably won't give you the same answer. Okay.
Hi, I'm Michel Lagarde, Thermo Fisher Scientific. I run the Pharma Services Group. Excited to be here at CPhI in Madrid and have a fly attack me as we do this.
It's back. We got rid of it.
Is it gone? All right.
That's wonderful.
Team, a couple of experts from industry, and I think this time we will have to kill it. So at home we have these fly catchers. You don't have that? They are very effective.